Mm-hmm.
I, yeah, just great.
How about the exam?
There's no, well, it's more of a test.
Mm-hmm.
It was already over like last week. Next week, the exams will start.
Oh, so this is your middle exam or the end of your exam? Yeah.
The end. After
You,
this, I'm going to grade 8.
you're going to what?
Grade 8.
Oh, and would uh after your exam is finished, would you like to do the class? I mean, just like this, or you have to, you will have some kind of holiday.
I don't know yet, but I will be going to China in June.
Oh, in June, I think we cannot do the class then, right, Chen?
Yeah,
Probably.
it's only
Mhm.
probably gonna be a week.
A week? Okay. I, yeah, keep that one. Okay. Thank you so much for the information. Done.
Yeah.
Anything else that you want to tell me?
Not really.
Oh, really? Okay. How about the last lesson? Do you have question, maybe?
I forgot. The last question was about
Mm-hmm.
concise
Good.
concise code.
Mm-hmm.
What else? Yeah, that's pretty
No
much all I
question.
remember.
And actually, we will not talk about concise. Yeah, we will use concise code, string, and integer, and also quote in this lesson, but we'll not review the previous lesson because we will just use it. Okay. And
Yeah.
in today's, Mhm. What did you
Nothing.
say?
When will the competition be again?
The what competition? Math competition or the coding competition?
Wait, coding, was it people who do coding lessons still can join the math competition?
Yeah, sure.
You
We,
can?
yeah, you can. And I hope this special offer, I hope you will join the competition. So, okay.
Uh, will, will I get like money or anything from it?
What?
Will I get money?
For the gift, I don't know actually, but you will have Robux for sure. And the rest of that, I'm not sure. Yeah.
All right, I'll check into it. One more thing,
Mhm.
was it, my mom showed me like a part of the Algonova thing where you can like, upload your own games or something.
Your mother said that?
Yeah, like she showed me a area where you can like upload your own games inside of the Algonova link thing.
Yeah, you can do that. Oh, let me share my screen. So, uh, y- are you asking me how to upload or what, Dom?
I just want to check where it is.
Oh, so when you go to the platform, you will see the Hall of Fame. This is the tab that you can use to see Algonova's student uh, projects. Okay. And
Right.
then when you want to create your own project, you can go to the lab first and then create the project. You have to pick the language, which is Python, and then you can give it a name. Let's say a DOM first project, and then hit OK. And after that, go into the project, and then you can do the code here, and then it's automatically saved. Don't worry. And after you're done, you can hit the project again, and then you will see something like this option, description and publication. Hit this one, and then if you want to share it to all of Algonova's students, you can hit this one. But if you want to show it only for your teacher, in this case me, you can hit this one. Okay.
Yeah.
And of course, when let's say you want to share to your friends to see your project, I mean, not the code, you can hit this button and you will have some kind of link and QR code. You can hit that and then share it on your WhatsApp or your friend. Okay.
Yeah.
And they will, see your project.
Yeah.
Anything else? What?
That, that's all I needed to know.
Oh, okay. Okay, now let's talk about today's lesson. What we're gonna talk today is conditional statement or operators, and I do believe that you have heard about this. Especially, I I don't know, maybe you haven't heard about this yet, but I believe you have seen this. Okay, when you do code. What is that? Well, it's basically a program that can decide which output should I do based on condition, something like that. Okay, so in this lesson, we try to create a program based on condition, which means that we cannot do print blah 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 straight or without doing condition first. Okay, that's the thing that we will do. Okay, this is the flow chart of the program looks like, DOM. So let's say you are using input function and then it analyzes your data or the string that you input here, you entered here. And then this program determines which one should I display? Is that lollipop or the cakes? So this is the question. What should we put over here, over this block? Okay, that's the goal for the big goal is that. But before doing that, this is the goal. Verbally, we'll learn that conditional operator is construct that analyzes the condition and selects a comment for execution and learn how to program conditional using data type, new data type. So before doing the program, I mean this one, we have to know about Boolean data type. This is new data type. Okay, we haven't learned about this yet. Okay, now what is logical data type? Commonly or in professional term, you can call it as a Boolean. So, Boolean. What is that? Well, Boolean data type has value either true or false. So, okay, the value of that variable can be either true or false. And then the example is just like this. So if you have a variable, let's say an integer, the value will be like a number, like minus 100, 520. And if you have a variable in, let's say, string, you can do something like name is equal to dummy. But logical or Boolean data type is just like this. Is correct is equal to true, or is correct is equal to false. Okay, dumb? Something. But the things that dumb should know is when we define a Boolean data type, we don't, put the value straight. I mean, like, we rarely do something like is correct is equal to true. It's quite rare. Instead, what we do is we will use an expression for this. Just like 5 is bigger than 2. Is this true or false? Like that. So you can put this expression in a variable. And then one of the example is this one, name. In math, maybe this one known as factorial, right? This one is called as, in programming, we call it as a not equal. So name is not equal with John. And of course, you have the name variable first before you're doing this one. Now, let's dive deeper into the operators that we can use to create an expression. First is greater than, second less than, or smaller than, and third is equal. Remember that, equal. So when you want to do equal, it's supposed to be double signs here. Okay, Dom? And then not equal, less than or equal, and greater than or equal. Now, how could we do that? This is the example of the program. So imagine that we have a task. We have to write a program that asks for the stock balance of chocolates and determines if the stock needs to be replenished. The minimum amount of sweets in stock is 50 kilograms. Well, to solve this problem, we can create something like, let's create a monster variable and use input function and int to convert the input functions. And then we have information here that the minimum stock, the minimum amount of sweets is 50 kilograms. And then this is how we can implement the Boolean data type. So delivery is equal to amount store less than amount min. Now, if I ask Dom, what if over here, Dom, I put, let's say, 150. What will be the value of the delivery?
Isn't it just gonna print true
Are you sure?
because the minimum is 50 and you're going above that?
It's 50, and then the amount store is 150.
Oh wait. Oh yeah, right.
That's
I thought it was the other way.
oh yeah, okay. That's gonna be false, right?
Yeah,
Done?
false.
Yeah. So that's how we can create a Boolean variable. So we rarely create something like delivery is equal to false. Rarely. Okay? Okay. Before doing the live coding, I have to explain about compound logical expression. So previously, this one, as you can see, we create a logical expression, amount store less than amount u. This one, we call it as a simple logical expression. Simple. Now, let's say or imagine if Dom wants to create, let's say, some expression, let's say 3 until 10 expressions, and you want to combine all of them. Well, in that case, you can use either AND operator or operator. Now, I need to do live coding to explain uh, what is the in what case we have to use and in what case that we have to use or. Okay, let me explain on the, let's do that on the left. Okay, in this case I'm gonna create a variable. Let's call it as I think I'm gonna do h1 is equal to int input enter h1 column. Now I'm gonna copy this, paste it. I'm gonna create 3 variables here. Done. Okay, and then like this. Oops, this is supposed to be 2, and now I will create an expression from this. I'm gonna call it expression 1, and then I'm gonna say h1 is greater than equal to h2. And then the second expression, I'm gonna call it as h2 is h3, like so. Oops. And then the last expression, h3 is not equal with h2. Excuse me, h1. Okay, now all of these expression 1, 2, and 3, this one and this one are simple logical expression. Okay. Now, compound logical expression is something like, I'm gonna do something like count expression one. So we can combine simple logical expression with AND operator, expression one, expression two, and then compound expression two. I'm gonna say expression two over expression three. Um, let's put something here to make it clear. Expression three, and then this one for expression uh, one. Okay. Now let me ask you the value. Oops. The value of expression one is expression one, right? And then let's do this. Control. Oops. Expression two and three. 2 and 3. Now, okay. Now, if I run this code, I have to enter the value of h1, 2, and 3. Okay, done. Now, let's say I enter, for the first one is 19, the h2 is 30, and it's going to be 20. Now, can you please tell me what's the value of expression 1, 2, and 3?
The value of expression. Wow. I don't. H1 is supposed to be equal or lower than H2. No, higher. Expression
Higher,
2.
yes, it's bigger. We call it as a bigger. So what will be the value then? The expression one.
So if it was 19 and 30, it would be true.
Are you sure?
Oh, wait.
19
Oh,
is
yeah.
true.
19 and 20. 30 is false.
Okay, that's gonna be false, right?
Yep.
That's gonna be false. Okay, and then the expression two, that's going to be
False again.
false. And then the last one, that's going to be
Oh, true.
yeah. So the value is false, false, true, and that's right. False, false, true. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, in what case that we should use AND operator and OR operator? Well, in case that you want to combine all of your expression. Okay, Dom? Okay. And then, as you can see, this is the core explanation about AND and OR operator. So, when you use AND operator as the combiners, Dom, the final value will be true only if all of the expressions are true. Remember that. Only if all of the expressions are true. What it means is, well, let's say you have 100 expressions done. Okay? And then 99 of the expressions are true, but one expression is false. So when you combine all of them with an operator, the final value will be false. Because, yeah, you know, right? Because we're using N. Now, the OR is some kind of, you know, the, I can say as, I'm going to say, if you want to use OR operator, it means at least if you want to make it true for the binary value, at least one of the expression supposed to be true. And I don't care about all of them. I mean the rest of them. Okay? Now imagine that you have 100 expressions and 99 of the expressions are false and only one expression is true. And let's say you combine all of that with OR operator. The final value will be true. Remember it. Okay? Done? Okay. Now, any questions so far?
Not really.
Not really. Okay. Now let's print this then. I'm gonna say the value of com expression one is com expression 1. Now the value of expression 2 is going to be expression 2. Now, could you please tell me if I enter 30, 20, and 30, what will be the value of compound expression 1 and compound expression 2 though? Can you please tell me? Take your time.
I forgot I was muted. Uh,
Oh my
Compound
God.
expression one would be false. Expression one, yeah, expression one would be false because H3 and H1 is equal. And the second one, compound expression two, would be true because H1 is bigger than H2.
Okay, that's right. That's gonna be false and true. Yeah, you were right. False and true. Okay. So the key is when you see an operator, you just need to verify if one of the expression is false, so you do not need to think about the rest. Okay, the remaining expression because that's gonna be false. And then for the or, if one expression is true, so we do not really care about the rest because I think the final value will be true. Something like that for the expression and Boolean operator. Okay, now let's move to the core concept. What is conditional operator then? Well, now in case we want to create something like this, DOM, we have to use an expression. Okay, an expression, and that expression can be simple or compound expression. Now, what is the operator to create this? And then how to pour the code? Well, to do that, let's use this problem. Okay, so, oh my God, not this one, not this one. Okay, I'm gonna use this problem, the candy. Okay, so imagine we have a task that we have to create something like this. So if the user enters candy, so the program should display lollipops. Okay, but if it's not candy, it displays cakes. But how to do that? Well, to do that, we have to know about these operators. First is if, and second is L. Excuse me, L. I do believe that you heard bodies, right? Yeah. So if is some when you use if, you have to put the expression, and if this expression isn't true, so it moves to the else block, something like that. Okay. Now let's do that. So let's say I'm gonna create something like this. Let's say name is equal to input, and then enter your student's name. I'm gonna put this student's name. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna do this. If the name of my student is equal to Dominic, all right, it's the name, so I'm gonna put Dominic. So hit colon. Don't forget this though. Okay, this is necessary. Hit colon, and after that, enter. If you have colon, it's automatically give you an indent or a space here. But if you don't have colon, it will do something like this, which is you have to do that manually. So don't forget colon and then print. You are right. You're right. And then other than that, I'll print. Oops. You're right. Okay. Now, if I hit run and then let's say I put a random name, so this expression will be false, right? Dom? It means that it will print, oops, you wrong. But if I enter Dominic, so you'll say you're right. Okay, I think that's all, Dom. Any question?
No.
No, okay. I will give you how to solve the problem. You can pick which section.
The first one.
First one. Okay, let's see. I think we do not need to use conditional statement here. We only need to practice Boolean. Okay, let's pick some number here. Which one?
Uh, the star.
What?
The star. What is the star?
The star? Oh, I think I will skip this. Maybe this one. Okay, maybe this one. Yep. Okay, so let's say the sweet story store offers products to people with different needs, including allergy sufferers. If the customer is not allergic to dairy and gluten, then they can offer branded cheesecakes with cottage cheese. Try a program that processes the following information about the presence of allergy. But okay, so I'm gonna do this. So have okay, let's put have and then have an allergy color. Now, if the answer is yes, we have to move to this variable. Let's, uh, I'm gonna put allergy is equal to its input also, and then allergic to color. Okay, and as you can see, it says have an allergy true because the answer over here is yes. Okay, so we have to create something like this. So I'm gonna say have allergy, and I'm gonna say if the have is equal to yes. Okay, and then we can print have an allergy colon have allergy. Okay, now I will not use conditional statement because I think we yeah we it doesn't recommend us to use that. Okay, now the second one, upper sweet cheese Danish. So in this case, let's print that first. Over sweet cheese Danish colon. The value is false. Why? Well, I think it's because this statement don't. So if the customer is not allergic with dairy and gluten, so yeah, if it's allergic, so it's going to be true. I'll say. So I'm gonna say something like this. Um, allergic to allergic to is equal to if the allergy. Uh, hold on, let me think. Oh my god. If I use or, so I'm gonna say, let's do this. Is allergic, is allergic. So if the allergy is equal to dairy, or the allergy is equal to gluten, so the value will be true. But it says over sweet cheese.
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's going to be not true. Okay, so now we have to put is allergic. So now we can run the code. Have an allergy, yes, and an allergic to like this. Oh, it says over sweet cheese Danish is true. Well, it's always true because if it's not dairy,
Oh, wait, isn't that for integers? Oh, never mind, never mind. Uh,
Mhm. I think we have to make it like this. Yeah, and then let's try again. Yes. Boom. Oh my God. Still. Why
oh,
it's
wait. Uh,
is allergic? It will be allergic if the allergy is. Oh, it says if the customer is not allergic to this, so we can over this, right? It means if the allergy is this. Oh my God. Oh, I have to put this there. If the allergic is upper switch is Danish, I mean, yes, there. Interesting. Well, of course, it's going to be true because we are using. How if
maybe,
we use and then? Yes. Uh, yeah, it's true. Oh my God.
maybe it's the spelling.
Oh yeah, dairy. Excuse me, dairy. Yes. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh my God.
No, like in allergic. Maybe,
Oh, this one. Oh my God. This one.
maybe it'll work. I don't know.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Like this, though.
Probably.
Yes. Boom. Oh my God. Still.
Maybe try saying no allergies. Just try it.
No. What do you mean?
Like maybe it's something. Wait,
What?
wait,
If the customers.
write the
So
program.
if this is not dairy or this is not, yeah, we have to use and because if we use or, the value will always true, right? Because if this is, yeah, it's I don't know how to say it, but if it's not dairy, of course it's not gluten also. If it's gluten, it's not a dairy. If we use or, so I think this is what if we do this dot lower and dot lower. Okay, now let's try. Yes, yay! We
Oh,
did that. Okay, your time, your turn. Dom, I'm so sorry. Oh my God, it's over 30 minutes. Let's see. Dom.
it's two.
Which, whatever. Don't worry. Okay. Maybe more than one correct answer, Dom.
Wait, practicing. And
Conditional operator is used to select an executable command depending on the variable and expression. Can be used as condition.
or simple logical expressions again.
No, we can use either simple or combined. Yeah, both. Yes.
All commands and operations of the condition. What is indentation?
The space. Uh just like I said, the space. No, that's false. Supposed to
Oh,
be had. Supposed to be I think the third the fifth one is right. A conditional operator can be set with only if without else, but we cannot do else without if. Okay? What
okay.
the? Oh, then already.
What?
No, nothing. I thought you did check with the fourth one.
Uh, oh, I did it.
Yeah, my bad, dong. Raisins. Ice cream tartlets.
What are those?
What?
I've never. What are taste cream tartlets? What are
I
tartlets?
don't know. Me neither. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Aha. Okay, you just need to fix the problem here.
The new customers get a 40% discount by using. Wait, am I muted or unmuted?
No,
Oh, wait. Oh, never mind. Sorry.
don't worry.
Stores close. 1,000 customers get a 40% discount.
I think the program is done, but you just need to fix it has, a bug. Exactly, that's the first one. You should put colon. Oops, not that one.
Huh?
You don't have to make it in parentheses, but at the end of the expression, you should put colon.
Wait,
That's supposed to be not equal.
that is?
Yeah. And then, so as you can see, if answers is not equal to yes, it prints 40% discount. But other than that, it prints 10% for the discount. But it misses one thing. What is that done?
Uh,
The colon after the expression. What do you see? No colon. No, no. At line 3. Not that
yeah.
one. At line 3. There is
Um,
no colon at the end. Yeah, no, not colon means titik dua. Excuse me.
oh,
Colon.
yes.
No, that's parentheses. Colon is just like the else. Else colon. What do you see? Else colon. That one. That one. The double dot. No.
I don't get this.
Can I annotate dumb screens?
Yeah. Uh, how do I do that? Yeah.
Okay, so remember, you should do something like if this is the expression and colon. So this one, your code misses this one. Yeah, and also else colon.
You need the
Yeah,
options.
like so.
Wait. If the
Mm-hmm.
answer doesn't mean yes, you get promo new.
40% because it says new customer get 40% discount by using, but the
No,
rest get.
no. This one says not equal. So if it was not equal, that means it would lead to the one with 10%.
Oh yeah, you were right. Okay. Oh my bad. Yeah, my bad. Oh my God, that's brilliant. Yeah, supposed to be. Yeah,
Okay.
it's supposed to be equal, though. It's not equal.
Yeah. Eh,
Oh, that's brilliant. Nice.
Uh,
Okay. Yay.
wait, why is this wrong?
What?
Why is this not green?
That's number 5.
No, number one.
Oh, because you missed the this one. I thought that. you have checklist this one. That's uh, but you missed this.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, you missed that.
Oh, wait. This.
Okay, now what? Fix the errors of the program that documents products depending on.
Looks. So that's this one. Yeah.
Less than
Okay.
500.
Wait. Shouldn't we have like? Oh, let me think. Could you add on to an if?
What?
Like, let's say if,
Uh-huh.
else, then it goes back to if.
Oh no, that's JavaScript 4.
Oh,
Not by, yeah, but you know the previous statement said that we can use if without else, but we cannot. I mean, in the first number, we can use if without else, but we cannot use else without if. But you see this one. So you can create if three times, done, without else. In case you have a specific condition or expression, of course,
okay.
because else means that the expression or the condition isn't specific.
Okay, I think I get it.
Okay.
Uh, it should have the columns. Uh, max, max price doesn't is over.
What did you say, Dom?
Nothing. Uh,
Nothing. I think the first expression isn't not really right because it says less than, but yeah, so
oh
there
wait.
is equal. Exactly. And then the second, it comes from, yeah, as you can see, from 500 till, uh-huh, yeah,
Done.
oh, okay, this is interesting. Wait.
Done. Three. Wait.
It's
If
pretty clear. We do not need
yeah.
to think actually, right?
Uh, wait.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, if
Let me see. Height. Oh wait. If height minus.
height minus weight is greater than 100,
Wait. Can this be done?
what do you mean? What?
This equation.
Yes.
Oh, can okay. I mean, to make it more simple, I think we should just uh,
Mm-hmm.
uh
Wow, this is new way. Wow. It's brilliant. Minimize. Mm-hmm.
uh, if minus.
Yeah, that's exactly right. You can copy and you read is perfect. How about frame 12 crossing?
Oh,
Otherwise, or else, we do not need the we do not specify a condition. So it says, is like very mouse, it will not harm your figure. Yes.
no.
I want to know your real height and weight, actually, Dom.
I can't remember.
Okay, okay. I thought you want to say, I cannot do that.
I mean, if
Uh-huh.
it's kind of personal.
Okay, though. I got you. Okay, H is, you know, BMI, don't you?
No,
Body mass index. Index.
no.
Oh, that's a formulation that you can use to calculate your, I can say your category. Though. Either you are, uh, excuse me, fat or not fat or ideal, but you have ideal body. That's
I,
from the, yeah,
I've
BM.
never. Uh,
We will use that formula in the next module when we talk about function.
function. Oh wait.
Well, actually, you can also copy the quotation mark.
Yeah, I just realized that.
Should we do that, Dom?
Huh?
Should we do, should we specify the condition if we use else?
Oh, right.
We don't have to, right? Yeah. Else means that other than the if condition.
What if they go into negatives?
What?
What if they go into negatives?
Oh, it, well, that's nice, but the, yeah, you were right. You were right, though. Oh my God, this is brilliant. but, but I'm not sure you have a negative age, right?
I mean, could be.
Oh, if the user is some kind of, yeah, yeah. That's right. That's right, though. I think it's,
Oh wait. Yeah, this one.
no, I think it's supposed to be people if age is less than, for the first expression, is less than, equal
Oh
to
wait, yeah.
30.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Switch it.
I think you have to put equal sign for the one of
Yeah,
them.
this one it
Yeah,
says people age 38.
yeah. Okay. It means they should use else if that doesn't work. Still,
Yeah.
hold on. People your age, Ice cream, chocolate.
Oh, wait.
What's
One
going
more.
on? Oh, the
Yeah.
one.
Go shopping.
Exactly. Yay. Okay.
One doesn't. What are logic? I forgot. What were logical expressions again?
It's only one expression like this. Ah, are you sure, Dom? Oh, yeah, you're right. I don't think Waffles has 10 characters. And yes. What? Oh, yeah, my God. Okay, how about now? What in this the same number?
Or wait. Dessert.
Is third you want in kilograms? Int exactly because the expression supposed to be with number later.
Eight.
Dumb? Oh my God, I'm so laggy. What will you do after this course? Dumb?
I'm gonna play with my friends.
Oh, what will you play, guys?
Demonology.
What?
Demonology.
Demonology? What is that?
Uh, Roblox game.
Oh, that's great one. Okay, then. How about sorted mini cakes?
Huh? Never tried those.
Nice. Go shopping again. You like to shopping?
No. It's really boring. Oh, wait.
This is, oh my God, the answer is really obvious.
Yeah, it was just one part.
Yay! That's great. Okay, one more question.
One conditional operator is used instead of another.
Yes. based on the picture. We will learn about this in the next meeting.
If the user enters cake, they are asked to. If oh yeah, this is what I meant by if you can stack another if on another if.
Yes, you can do that, of course. In case, yeah, I will explain about this deeper in the next meeting because we have some condition to do this. I mean, it has some kind of requirement.
Yeah, this is what I meant.
If the user doesn't like a chocolate cake,
Okay.
wow. Okay, Dom, that's enough for today.
Oh, all right.
Dom can stop your screen. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I want to say thank you so much for today, Dom. You did your
Yeah, thank
task
you.
100%. That's great. And I do believe that you you do understand about that, right? I mean, conditional statement, right?
Kind of, yeah, because I've used it a lot before with my computer class.
Yeah. Well, I mean, when you lose or when you use the scratch, you meant like that.
Stretch?
Well, what is the language program that you had used?
I can't remember. Yeah, I can't remember. I think it was
It,
Scratch.
it's like you're so familiar with conditional statement. I mean, yeah, just like that. Then that's great. That's great.
Scratch.
What?
I used Scratch back then with my computer class. It's how I learned about the if and the other statements.
Okay, then let's take a recap about what we've learned today. Can you help me? What did you learn today?
We used logical, I forgot, what was it? Logical
Expression,
something.
logical expression.
Yeah, logical expression. I don't remember what it
The
was called.
Boolean
Yeah,
data type.
probably log.
We call it as a Boolean. Okay.
It was uh, yeah,
Oh my God,
Boolean, I
I'm
think.
so lagging. Okay.
That's
Mm-hmm.
also the
Compound
and
logical
or.
operator. Yeah, exactly. So today we've learned
Yeah,
about
that one.
simple logical expression, Boolean data type, compound logical expression, and how we can use conditional operator, which are if and else. And we can use if without else, but we cannot use else without if. Okay? Now, I want to ask
Yep.
you, is it hard? Is it hard?
Huh? Uh,
Is
Somewhat difficult to code. It's yeah, to code sometimes.
okay, okay. Okay. As my appreciation, I'll give you 30 coins for this. Okay, Dom?
Oh,
Congratulations for that.
yeah.
Maybe you can save your coins to, buy Robux in Algonova store. So first,
Uh,
Dominic has question.
no, not really.
I think I'm so lagging. Oh my God. It's quite weird because my device isn't lagging when I do the meeting with another student, but when I do that with you, seems like I'm so lagging. What's going on? I don't know. Okay, Dom, I think
Maybe
that's all for today. Do you have something to
all
tell
right.
me?
No.
If so, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next meeting, yeah? Dom?
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye. Yes, sir. Thank you.